It seems counterintuitive that the number one complaint among couples right now is not feeling connected to their partner. It's unbelievable because during the pandemic, we spend 24/7 together. But being together doesn't always mean that you feel close together. Feeling close together and connected reduces stress. I'm encouraging every couple that's listening to this today to begin a healthy habit of starting couple check-ins once a week. A check-in means that you sit down and you talk about 5 questions, or you can write your own. You can have as many as you want, and you get the feedback you need. This enhances communication and it makes you feel more emotionally connected. Both of those are the key to a healthy relationship. The first question, and I'm going to give you 5, is what did I do this week to make you feel appreciated and special? Listen to your partner. Many times what happens is we get busy and focused on other things, and we forget to tell our partner what they did that meant so much to us. Secondly, ask your partner, do you get enough time one-on-one with me, or do you need more space? Sometimes when we need more space, we shut down, we withdraw, and your partner may see that as rejection, whereas what it is you're just needing more space. Ask directly. Thirdly, what do I do that makes you feel emotionally connected to me? How can I do more in that area? It's important you find out the things that matter most to your partner. They may not be the things that matter most to you, but when you both know each other's, you can take turns making sure everybody feels emotionally connected to both people. Fourthly, how do you feel we're doing about our intimacy? Where do you see it? What can I do to help more? The elephant in the room is always the one you deny talking about, and it may come up in an argument. So ask directly. Intimacy is important, both emotional and physical. And if you talk about it and find ways and tasks you can do to make it better in the bedroom and better when you're talking seriously about things, it's going to be better. And lastly, ask your partner, what can we do to handle our conflicts better? If you think you're not going to get in an argument, you're wrong. You're just playing a game. You will. And couples that do well with fighting fair have a plan. So make a plan. Maybe it's something as simple as taking a time out and then going back to the conversation after you've cooled off. When you feel closer to your partner, stress minimizes. And right now, during a very stressful time for every family I know, it's important that we minimize the stress and get back in touch with each other.